going back to regular boho braids.
Just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Faith Sinclair, and thank you all for tuning back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, we cover all things fitness, beauty, lifestyle, and how to build your dream life over here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. All right, so today we are talking about these miracle knots, y'all. Miracle knots have been all the rage on TikTok, on YouTube, everywhere. Like, people are getting into the miracle knots, but I'm going to show you guys the right way to put them in. There's been a lot of people saying that they've gotten breakage on their hair from the miracle knots, and so this is the miracle knot install with no crochet. Okay, we are straight feeding the hair into the braids, into our natural hair. So if you want to see how I got this look, then watch the video. Alright, so we are starting off on freshly washed and blow dried hair. Here is the deep wave hair in 22 inch that I'm using from YG Wigs. And I am starting off, I'm doing the brick lay method. And if y'all want to see like behind the scenes of how I set up my camera and my computer so that I can actually see how I part my hair and stuff, I will show y'all how I do that because this method is literally genius. I love it. So I'm doing the brick lay method with the parting of my hair, and then I'm going to show you guys how I actually fed in each strand of the crochet hair. For the back section of my head, I only used one piece as like the feed in part, and then I used one more piece at the bottom to end the braid. So I'm starting off my knotless braid. I'm adding in that boho hair, and I'm leaving the top part of it out so that we do not have any of the string hanging. So the string is actually going to be braided up in my hair. And then I braid it down a little bit further, and the further down I get, when I feel like the string is no longer visible, I will just take out the rest of that hair. I pull it forth and I continue braiding down. Then I'm going to add in my piece that goes at the bottom, and I just feed that in as well and braid it all the way down like such. And then when we get all the way to the very, very bottom, I go a little bit past my hair. I am going to take out a small piece of the hair and tie 3 slip knots to make sure that the braids stay in place. So I'm not using any glue or anything to seal the ends because I do want to be able to reuse this hair. So that's why I am doing the slip knots. If you want to use glue, by all means, do what you want to do. But I am trying to preserve this hair because, as we know, this hair is not cheap. Okay? So I did this whole process throughout my hair. When I got up to the top, as y'all will see, I used 2 pieces for the feed-in part. And then I used 1 piece on the bottom to seal the ends. So y'all, this method was super quick and easy for me to do on myself. Usually it takes me 2 days to put in boho braids on myself. This only took me 6 hours. So that's why I said I am never going back to regular boho. Like, y'all can keep that. We doing these miracle knots. Takes less time. It's easier for me to do. And yeah, it still looks the same. So So this is the completed look. This is what it looks like before I put any type of water on it to contain the frizz. But you know, we had to put some water on it because I want my curls really defined, and I don't want the hair as poofy because I know it's going to get poofier throughout the day or over time. So I just added some water and conditioner in a spray bottle, and I'm spraying it, and I'm using my unbrush to go through and kind of define the curls and detangle. Alright, so I want to talk a little bit more about these miracle knot braids, y'all. When I say I'm never going back to regular boho, I probably will never go back to regular boho. This is literally like the easiest style for me to do on myself. So I know with my clients, it's probably going to be super easy for me to install as well. But I like to try things out first, see how it is, see what the maintenance is like, so that I can tell my clients exactly what to do and how to take care of their hair. So as y'all saw in the video, I just fed the hair in as I braided it down, and then I tied like a little slip knot at the bottom of the hair where my natural hair is, and then I think I braided it down maybe just a little bit past. So yeah, my natural hair is stopping about right here, and then I braided on down just a little bit more, so it comes on down. I love this style. I've gotten so many compliments on it. This is the deep wave crochet hair from YG Wigs. Now let me tell y'all, this is not a low maintenance style, okay? Boho braids have never been a low maintenance style. For the people who try to get boho braids and be like, my hair is tangling and the hair is not working, like, it's because you literally have to brush your hair and wet it, make sure it's detangled every single day, okay? If not every other day. I can get away with going 2 days without brushing through my hair, but if I go more than 2 days, it's over with, okay? So you definitely have got to maintain this hair. This hair needs water. It's curly hair. So just like if you had a curly sew-in, you're going to have to detangle, wet the hair, add a little bit of curling cream. I like to do curling cream instead of mousse because mousse kind of gets a little sticky on the hair. So definitely get you some curling cream and some water. You can even put a little bit of conditioner into your spray bottle with water, and then brush it through. At night, I like to sleep with 2 pigtails. So I'll just kind of put my hair, I'll section it off, and then I'll twist it. And then I sleep with my scarf, and then I'll put a bonnet on top. Another big mistake that y'all are doing, and that I have found my clients to do, is that when they get braids, they just want to put their bonnet on at night. No. You need to put a scarf on your head, okay? You need to tie it down. A lot of y'all say y'all get frizz and the hair doesn't last long, knotless braids don't last, yada, yada, yada. Put your scarf on, okay? Scarf first, always and forever. Put a scarf on. It needs to be a satin or a silk scarf. That's how you're going to maintain these braids. I've had these braids in so far because I filmed the video, of course, but I've been rocking this hair for about 2 weeks now, and I'm coming back and kind of just filling y'all in on what I've been doing. So every night I tie my scarf on. I might not put a bonnet on every night, but every night I am definitely putting that scarf on, okay? All right. The best brush to detangle any type of boho braids or any type of curly hair, even your natural hair, the unbrush. You're going to take it, spray your water on here, brush through, okay? You need this for any type of boho. I don't care if the hair is even body wave. You need the unbrush. Get it. Also, I still have yet to wash this hair, like while it's been in my head. I do work out like 4 to 5 times a week, so I will definitely be washing it soon. So let me know if y'all want a video down in the comment section below if y'all want to see how I actually go about washing my hair. Let me turn around so y'all can see like just how full it is. I did use 4 packs of this hair. So yes, this hair can be expensive, but I am hoping that with me taking care of it, I will be able to reuse it. So let me turn around real quick so y'all can see the fullness. Y'all see this? Let me scoot up some. Okay. I feel like from far away, you would think this is a sew-in on me. It it gives. It's giving deep wave sew-in. So I am going to try to keep this hair in for a few weeks. It's already been about 2 weeks now. So we're going to try to go to the 6 week mark for these braids. And then I will come on at the end of my 6 weeks and I will give y'all an update on the hair. I know I never give updates, but I'm gonna give y'all an update, okay? Because y'all deserve an update. Y'all deserve an update. So let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful. Let me know if you guys are going to try out this hair. Like I said, I did get this hair from YG Wigs. There is a discount code in my bio. If you want to use that, you can click on that link to get your hair from them. I believe it's 15% off. You can use my code, my referral code. It'll help me out a lot. So yeah. But this video is not sponsored by them. I'm just plugging them in because I love their hair. I love YG Wigs hair. That's literally all the hair that I use for my boho braids. Also for my crochet braids for my clients and stuff. So yeah, check them out. Check out the hair. You will like it. Like I said, it's not a low maintenance style. This is high maintenance. You are going to have to maintain it every night, but it's so worth it. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.